everybody. I'm back to do an instructional on my new dance, Nola Daze, D-A-Z-E. The artist is the Soul Rebes. The song is Lovely Day. It's actually a remake of an original dance, the very first dance that I ever did called Lovely Day. And it's my first instructional. So, let's do this. Part one. Point tap on the right and left. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 12 o'clock, 3 o'clock, right, left, right. 12 o'clock, 9 o'clock, left, right. Settle right, settle left, settle right, settle left. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Put it all together, it looks like this. Point tap, right, left, right. Point tap, left, right, 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 left. And on. You walk up, real cool like. And it's really, really important that you tap so that you know which foot you're using. So you right, left, right, tap, left, right, tap. It's really very simple. It just looks kind of new because we're going in a different direction. You do a B step, right, left. We're just going right, left, tap, left, right, tap. 5, 6, from the top. Here we go. Point, tap, right, point, tap, left, sail up, sail left, sail right. Walk it up on the right, right, tap, left, right, tap. And on. What goes up must come back. This is how we're going to get back. Step back, right, left, kick, and left, right, kick, and right, left, kick, and left, right, kick, and. I'm going to do it again. Make sure you step back first. Don't kick first. Step back first. Step back, kick, and left, right, kick, and right, left, kick, and left, right, kick, and. And it's really, really good if you stay on your toes because it's fast. Right, left, kick, and left, right, kick, and right, left, kick, and left, right, kick, and. So we're going to walk it up, bring it back. Right, left, right, tap, left, right, tap, right, left, kick, and left, right, kick, and right, left, kick, left, right, kick, and on. Using your right leg, you're going to step right, walk right. Remember that because we're going to step left and we're going to use our left. So if we're going right, we're going to step right. Just walk to the right and walk to the left. And you're going to just right kick, left kick, rock up. So it looks like this. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Right leg to the right, step right, walk right. 1, 2, 3, tap, left, 2, 3, tap, right kick, left kick, rock up, rock easy with a coaster tap. This is the count. Walk right, step right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So from the side, it looks like this. Walk right, step right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Good. So, step right, walk right. 1, 2, 3, tap, left, 2, 3, tap, right kick, left kick, rock up, rock easy with a coaster tap. Now we're going to go left. Step left, walk left. Left, right, tap, right, tap. Now we're going left, right on the left. Left, right, rock up on the left, rock easy on the left, coaster on the left. So when you're doing this step, at first It's left kick, rock up on the left, rock easy on the left, coaster on the left.
Go teach it.
Walk right, use your right foot. Step right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6. Coaster, step and left. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Left, right, left up, rock easy, left coaster.
Side. Do it from the side.
Let's do the left side from the side.
Right side and left side.
Forward. Right kick, left kick.
No, do it with the walk. With the walk.
Step right, walk right. 1, 2, 3, tap, left, 2, 3, tap, right kick, left kick, rock up, rock easy, with coaster, left, right, left, tap, right, tap, left, right, kick, left, easy, with a coaster.
That's high enough from the side.
That is the end of part 2. Part 3.
No, that way.
Right. So as we come back, rock easy.
No, go back to the top.
Okay.
Go back to the top.
Y'all know my mentor and tutelage is in the background, the infamous Linda Sims. So I got good chops. From the top, part 1 and part 2. You're almost there. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7. Take it back. Right, left tap, and left, right tap, and right, left tap, left, right kick, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right kick, rock up, rock easy, with a coaster, and left, tap, right, tap, left, right, left up, left easy, with a coaster. Now I'm ready for part 3. Since you come back from there, part 1, part 2, it's truck front and back and front. Tap, 5, 6, 7, 8. Front and back and front. Tap, 5, 6, 7, 8. When I look at you, tap. There you go. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Rock up, left coast. That's the last part. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. When I look at you, tap, rock up, left coaster, slide right, slide left, big slide, slide left, right, and back to part 1, to the beginning of the days. So, when I look at you, up, left coaster, slide right, slide left, and slide left, right. Point tap, coaster, point tap, with coaster, set right, set left, set right, walk it out like a boss. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4. See, that's what happens when you don't step left and step right. The dance is so fun that you'll forget to step left, walk right, and then you'll chase the dance from here. You have to step right, go right, step left, go left. So let's take it from the walk. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Tap, right kick, left up, rock easy, with a coaster to the left. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. Left up, rock easy, with a coaster, and 1. The rotation. Part 1, Part 2, Part 3. Part 1, Part 2, Part 1, Part 2, Part 1, Part 3. Which reminds me, the second part is a little bit more intensive. The first part 3 only goes to the left. When I look at you, and the world with me, slide left, right. The second part 3 goes to the left and the right. So it looks like this. When I look at you, and the world slide right, slide left, slide right, slide left, and just want to look at you, pop up with a coaster, slide left, big slide this time, slide right back. Let's do part 3.5. This is the second time that we do part 3. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6. Slide right, slide left. Slide right, slide left. Into the ring, now look at you. Tap up, right coaster. Slide left, slide right. With a big slide, right back. All right? Ready to put it all together? I am. It's a very short intro, so it's a 16 count intro. So as soon as you hear the drums, start counting. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and to the left. 2, 3, tap. 5, 6, 7, left up, left kick, left up, rock easy. Get ready to travel. When I look at you, tap up, left coaster, slide right, big slide, slide, left right, point, tap. And tap, sailor, give me 4. Walk it up like a boss. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 2 the right. 5, 6, 7 right up, right kick, right up, right easy, right coaster to the left. Step left, walk left. Here we go, left up, left kick, rock up, rock easy, point tap, here we go. Point tap, tail up. Walk it up like a boss. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. Get ready to travel. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. And when I look at you, tap up. You're gonna slide right. And left, and slide right, and left to the right. Just want to look at you. Tap rock up with a coaster. Slide left, slide, kick slide. Right, left, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 8. Left, right, left, right, take it up like a boss. And for all you New Orleanians, this is the only time you can act like a fool. Right, left kick, then left, right kick, then right, left kick, then left, right kick, then left. All right? Hope you enjoy it as much as I do. This is naturally Nola.